You're interrupting me, and sir, you're a charlatan. That's what you are.
U.S. lawmakers pulled no punches as they grilled Robert F. Kennedy Jr. for the first time since he took the job as the country's top public health official.
Look, you are putting America's babies' health at risk, America's seniors' health at risk, all Americans' health at risk.
RFK Jr. has made sweeping changes, including pulling funding for vaccine research, getting rid of COVID-19 vaccine recommendations, and most recently, firing the head of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Susan Menares.
We are the sickest country in the world. That's why we have to fire people at CDC.
In a scathing op-ed in the Wall Street Journal, on Kennedy's leadership, Menares wrote, "That isn't reform, it is sabotage."
So you're saying she's lying?
Yes.
And when pressed about COVID deaths, RFK Jr. dodged.
You don't have any idea how many Americans died from COVID?
I don't think anybody knows.
Even as tracking from the World Health Organization shows 1.2 million U.S. deaths. Members of his own party also pressed RFK Jr. on his vaccine policy.
I would say effectively we're denying people vaccine.
Senator Cantwell.
You're wrong.
But it was the Democrats that piled on.
You are a hazard to the health of the American people. I think that you ought to resign.
More than 1,000 current and former employees of the agency led by RFK Jr. have echoed that call. In a letter posted this week, they urged him to quit. Following the hearing, President Trump offered a nod of support.
But if you look at what's going on in the world with health, and look at this country also with regard to health, I like the fact that he's different.
That support brandished by RFK Jr. at the 3-hour hearing.
And finally, we have an administration that is taking action.
A controversial secretary standing his ground as challenges to his leadership keep mounting. Chris Reyes, CBC News, New York.